Question 22. A number r is 6.2 when rounded to two significant figures. Let's just write the error interval for this. So r, because it's to two significant figures, we're rounding to the nearest tenth. So the smallest possible number it could be would be 6.15 and be smaller than or equal to r or smaller than 6.25. A number h is 6.2 when truncated to one decimal place. Truncated just means it's cut it off at the end. So did it round it up or down? It just cut it off. So the smallest number it could be is 6.2. It could be equal to that as well. It'd be between 6.2 and the largest number it could be would be just below 6.3. Because if it's 6.3, when you cut it down, it would just end in 6.3. So it needs to be everything below 6.3. Part A. Write down a possible value of r that will definitely be less than all possible values of h. We're looking for a number that will be less than all of the values of h. And I know r is between 6.15 and 6.25, and it needs to be below 6.2. So I'm going to choose 6.19. Part B. Write down a possible value of h that will definitely be greater than all possible values of r. This time, I'm looking for a value that's greater than 6.25 between 6.2 and 6.3. So I'm going to choose 6.26. Write down a possible value of r and a possible value of h such that r is greater than h. I'm looking for a value of r and I'm looking for a value of h, and r needs to be larger than h. So I'm going to choose 6.21 for r, and h I'm going to choose as 6.2.